What was your favorite subject in college? What was your favorite subject in college?
My favorite subject was biology. My favorite subject was biology.
What were you doing yesterday evening? What were you doing yesterday evening?
I was cooking dinner. I was cooking dinner.
Were you sleeping last night? Were you sleeping last night?
No, I was reading a book. No, I was reading a book.
What was she making for breakfast? What was she making for breakfast?
She was frying eggs. She was frying eggs.
Were they playing when it rained? Were they playing when it rained?
Yes, they were playing. Yes, they were playing.
What were you wearing to the party? What were you wearing to the party?
I was wearing a dress. I was wearing a dress.
Where were you headed when I saw you? Where were you headed when I saw you?
I was going to work. I was going to work.
Was it raining this morning? Was it raining this morning?
Yes, it was raining. Yes, it was raining.
What was he watching on TV? What was he watching on TV?
He was watching a show. He was watching a show.
What were you studying when your friend visited? What were you studying when your friend visited?
I was reading. I was reading.
Were you talking to Tom earlier? Were you talking to Tom earlier?
Yes, I was talking. Yes, I was talking.
What were they eating last night? What were they eating last night?
They were having pizza. They were having pizza.
Were you listening during the flight? Were you listening during the flight?
Yes, I was listening. Yes, I was listening.
What were you thinking in the meeting? What were you thinking in the meeting?
I was daydreaming. I was daydreaming.
Was she singing this morning? Was she singing this morning?
Yes, she was singing. Yes, she was singing.
Were you running when you fell? Were you running when you fell?
No, I was walking. No, I was walking.
What were you doing at 3 p.m. yesterday? What were you doing at 3 p.m. yesterday?
I was napping. I was napping.
Were you watching the news during the earthquake? Were you watching the news during the earthquake?
No, I was sleeping. No, I was sleeping.
What were you playing with friends? What were you playing with friends?
We were playing soccer. We were playing soccer.
Were you showering when the phone rang? Were you showering when the phone rang?
Yes, I was showering. Yes, I was showering.
What were you wearing to the meeting? What were you wearing to the meeting?
I was wearing a suit. I was wearing a suit.
Were you reading before bedtime? Were you reading before bedtime?
Yes, I was reading. Yes, I was reading.
What were they talking about on the phone? What were they talking about on the phone?
They were planning. They were planning.
Were you helping your mom? Were you helping your mom?
Yes, I was helping. Yes, I was helping.
What were you doing when the lights went out? What were you doing when the lights went out?
I was watching TV. I was watching TV.
Were you studying when the storm began? Were you studying when the storm began?
No, I was relaxing. No, I was relaxing.
What were you drinking at the party? What were you drinking at the party?
I was sipping soda. I was sipping soda.
Were you playing with your dog? Were you playing with your dog?
Yes, I was playing. Yes, I was playing.
What were you drawing when I came in? What were you drawing when I came in?
I was sketching. I was sketching.
Were you waiting for the bus? Were you waiting for the bus?
Yes, I was waiting. Yes, I was waiting.
What were you watching on your laptop? What were you watching on your laptop?
I was streaming. I was streaming.
Where were you swimming when the lifeguard blew the whistle? Where were you swimming when the lifeguard blew the whistle?
No, I was sunbathing. No, I was sunbathing.
What were you cooking for dinner? What were you cooking for dinner?
I was making spaghetti. I was making spaghetti.
Where are you studying in the library? Were you studying at the library?
Yes, I was studying. Yes, I was studying.
What were you talking to your friend about? What were you talking to your friend about?
We were gossiping. We were gossiping.
Were you dancing at the party? Were you dancing at the party?
Yes, I was dancing. Yes, I was dancing.
What were you eating when you found a hair in your food? What were you eating when you found a hair in your food?
I was munching a sandwich. I was munching a sandwich.
Were you shopping for clothes? Where are you shopping for clothes?
No, I wasn't shopping. No, I wasn't shopping.
What were you playing when your toy broke? What were you playing when your toy broke?
I was playing. I was playing.
Were you biking when it got dark? Were you biking when it got dark?
Yes, I was biking. Yes, I was biking.
What were you drinking at the cafe? What were you drinking at the cafe?
I was sipping coffee. I was sipping coffee.
Were you singing along to your favorite song? Were you singing along to your favorite song?
No, I wasn't singing. No, I wasn't singing.
What were you wearing at the beach? What were you wearing at the beach?
I was wearing shorts. I was wearing shorts.
Where are you painting a picture? Were you painting a picture?
Yes, I was painting. Yes, I was painting.
What were you fixing in the garage? What were you fixing in the garage?
I was fixing my bike. I was fixing my bike.
Were you writing to your pen pal? Were you writing to your pen pal?
No, I wasn't writing. No, I wasn't writing.
What were you watching on TV when the game started? What were you watching on TV when the game started?
I was watching the news. I was watching the news.
Were you doing your homework? Were you doing your homework?
Yes, I was studying. Yes, I was studying.
What were you listening to? What were you listening to?
I was listening to music. I was listening to music.
Were you gardening? Were you gardening?
Yes, I was gardening. Yes, I was gardening.